Glen is not just a town, it's a lifestyle. A neighborhood that is full of manicured yards, tree-lined street, and a home that is just walking distance to the Presentation Girls High School. Let me check you out inside the home. Let me show you what 1539 Jenvey Avenue, San Jose is all about. Welcome to this beautiful 4-bedroom, 2-bath, open floor plan home with a separate living room, a dining room, and updated kitchen with marble granite counter and stainless steel appliances and an eating area. It also has a laundry room. Let me show you around. Bay Area and you don't get fruit trees? That's not possible. This home actually has so many fruit trees that you will forget going to the farmer's market. From pomegranate to cherries, a tree that offers 3 different types of fruits. No matter what fruit you want to talk about, we have on this property. Do you want one? You don't want to miss this house this weekend. This particular home is 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,700 square feet on a almost more than 7,500 square foot lot size. The elementary school is 9+ rated and a Willow Glen High School. Contact your agent or see you at the open house at the time that are listed below. You're going to love living here because this is not just a home, it's a lifestyle, a home that is fully updated for you and waiting for right buyer on these streets in the heart of Willow Glen. Enjoy this beautiful home. I will see you at the open house. Check it out.